Begin by sitting down or lying down comfortably. Make sure to remove all distractions for the next 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy the experience of this meditation. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for just a bit and let it out gently through your mouth. Continue to breathe in this manner. In through your nose slowly, a little hold, and gently out of your mouth. And as you continue to breathe in this manner, place your attention on your body. Start with your toes. Place your attention on them gently, and as you continue to breathe, notice how any tension or discomfort is dissolving, replaced by a blissful sense of relaxation. Now, allow this relaxation to spread into the rest of your foot. Gently flowing into your heels and up your ankles. With each breath, wave after wave of relaxing, silky energy is climbing up your legs, soothing your muscles until they feel light and spongy. Allow the relaxation to spread into your knees and up your thighs. Removing any tension that your muscles might be holding. Give your body permission to let go of any stress or discomfort that it might be holding onto. And as you do so, feel how any discomfort effortlessly dissolves in the light of your focused awareness and soft, relaxed energy. As you continue to breathe gently, allow the relaxation to spread into your pelvis and your lower back. Feel your vertebrae stretching joyfully as they let go of accumulated tension. Allow your stomach to relax. Your middle back, your rib cage. Release any tension you hold in the upper back. As it dissolves, feel it being replaced with joyful and loving light of relaxation. Allow it to spread throughout your chest, up into your shoulders, dissolving any stress or tension that they might be holding onto. Give yourself permission to let go of that stress and just relax and rest. As you do so, feel the energy flow down your arms, like a clear, happy stream, cleansing and purifying. Allow it to flow all the way down to the tips of your fingers. You might feel a tingling sensation or a change in temperature. Just take note of it. It is normal. Use it as a door into further, deeper relaxation. And now, as you feel your body completely relaxed and restful, allow the relaxation to flow like a fountain up your neck, releasing the tension from your neck muscles and any discomfort from your throat. Relaxing your jaw, ears, and temples. All the bones and muscles in your face, your eyes, and your eyelids are now completely relaxed. Until the relaxation reaches all the way to the top of your head. Be present with this sensation for a few moments, or for as long as you feel comfortable. Allow yourself to enjoy this feeling of full body relaxation, and allow your body to use this energy to relax, recharge, and rejuvenate itself. Allow it to wash away any negative thoughts or emotions that might be circulating in your consciousness. Let go of them lovingly. Release them into the light. And in their place, allow the fresh and pure energy of love, health, and abundance to come in and take root in your body. Allow them to spread throughout your conscious awareness. And notice how you begin to glow from within with this loving light of joy and happiness. Be present in this state for as long as you like, as long as you need. And when you're ready, begin to gently open your eyes. Move your body little by little. Have a nice stretch.